For over 60 years, Phonak has been committed to improving the quality of life of people with hearing loss. Utilising Swiss technology, our in-the-ear hearing devices, created at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Warrington, are made to be as small as possible, to offer the best, most flexible and innovative solutions for your customers.
I'm Scott and I work in order entry, which filters out everything that's arrived in the post. We generally just take the new orders, read what the customer actually wants, and then translate that onto our computer system. Because we're right at the beginning of the process, we need to know all the variables, what works with what. What sets Phonak ITEs apart is the level and the quality of the technology that we're able to put into them. Also the care and attention that's put into making a top-class quality product. These are medical instruments which improve the quality of life of people, and it's very easy to take hearing for granted. The improvement that they're having on people's lives and their quality of life is amazing.
I'm Scott. My role is RSM Team Leader. RSM is the software we use to design our ITEs, which is rapid shell modelling. We're represented with the 3D impression, and we then got to place the components in the optimum position for both performance and cosmetics. I think Phonak ITEs are amazing because you're getting the best possible technology packed inside the most personal cosmetic shell possible. We're constantly striving to be innovative. Every single impression we get, every single order that comes through is a chance for us to change someone's life.
I'm Scott Myler and I do kit prep. Kit prep is to prepare their faceplate ready to be inserted into the ITE. Dexterity is a big part of my job. You tend to have a good eye for detail really. Some of the wires are as small as a human hair. There only has to be out a millimetre on solder or a wire just slightly out of place and it goes straight back through the line. The processes to get the work done are followed to the letter every single time.
My name is Delroy Thomas. Most people just call me Del for short. My role as production manager started in 1987. The strength of Phonak is within our software, the technology, and the training that we provide our technicians. The 3D printing is all about accuracy. To the hearing aid industry as a whole, speed is of essence. 3D printing reduces the time by about 70% versus the manual process. 3D machines today, there are quite a few on the market, and the technology was used in purely high-tech industries. For example, Formula One would use something like what we're using here now, where they would create their engine parts on the computer. The 3D printers print those engine parts out and then use that as a demo to see if it fit. It's a similar concept we're using here from our hearing aid manufacturing.
I'm Ray Ewan. Closers position all the components in the hearing aid to make one whole hearing aid. I use ITEs myself. There were so many things that I didn't know that made a noise, and all of a sudden with the hearing aids I can hear it. Tissue paper, for example, rustles. My shoes squeaked. I didn't know they did that. You go outside, birds singing. At first they felt like they were sat on my shoulder. It was the noise was that much different. It took me about a week to stop ducking when an aeroplane flew over. I have rediscovered a lot of sounds that I had forgotten and discovered new sounds that I never knew existed.
My name's Dion Badley and I'm the team leader of the QC department. The QC department does a full listening visual check of the hearing instrument. To be honest, when I came here I didn't know a single thing about hearing instruments. The way that they can enhance their life, it's not just a job, is it? We're just striving to make somebody's life better. Every time I pick an order up for a patient, you know, I would think that could be my nan, my mum, and you treat them all the same. So from a quality aspect, that's what I ask everybody to look for. When the hearing instrument leaves the testing area, it goes straight through to dispatch. It's put back together, it's got to be ready cosmetically, and it's tested.
Now you've met some of the professionals behind the creation of ITEs and seen our state-of-the-art facilities, it's easy to understand why Phonak can deliver quick, high-quality and right first-time hearing solutions for your customers.